In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Mailerlite. If you are no longer interested in a newsletter or email updates that are being delivered through Mailerlite, the safest and most reliable way to stop those messages is to use the unsubscribe link inside the email itself. This process only takes a moment, and it helps ensure your request is recorded properly. To begin, open any email that was sent to you through Mailerlite. You can use the most recent message in your inbox, but any of their emails should work as long as it includes the standard footer at the bottom. Once the email is open, take a second to make sure you are viewing the full message. Sometimes email apps collapse long messages, so if you see an option to view the entire email, go ahead and expand it. Next, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the email. The unsubscribe option is usually placed in the footer area, beneath the main content. The footer often contains small text, so slow down as you reach the end and look carefully. When you find the unsubscribe link, click it. This will open a new web page in your browser. If your device asks you to confirm opening the link, approve it so the unsubscribe page can load. Give it a moment, especially on mobile, since it may switch you from your email app to a browser window. On the page that opens, you will be asked to select a reason for unsubscribing. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This part is mainly for feedback, but selecting a reason is usually required to continue. After you select a reason, click the unsubscribe button. This submits your request. Try to avoid closing the page immediately, because you will want to confirm that it went through successfully. Finally, look for a confirmation message that says you have been unsubscribed. This message is your indicator that the process is complete. Once you see it, you can close the browser tab and return to your inbox. Keep in mind that it can take a short time for changes to fully apply, so if a message was already scheduled, you may still receive one more email. That covers everything you need to know.